Since you so specifically asked on agriculture, say there's nothing before me on specifically agriculture. But on widening the tax base, a lot of measures have been taken. As you know, we are not increasing taxation, but we are bringing it down. We are also giving a parallel scheme wherein there are no exemptions, rate is very low, and even that, after tabling the budget, we've still tweaked it so that people who cross the 7 lakh threshold do not get to pay immediately when they earn 1 rupee or 10 rupee more than 7 lakh. We have even graded it downwards so that even more than 7 lakhs, you still don't pay more than what you actually earn. So those changes have been brought in to encourage people to come into the tax fold. And truly, for a salaried person, tax gets cut off. But for some others, when they spend huge amounts on, let us say, on a foreign travel or on a huge expenditure on, I don't know, buying a car or buying a property or something, we do have tax deduction. The tax deduction is not with an intent of putting an additional burden. It is more with an intent of asking them to say, are you a taxpayer? Then please reconcile this and don't have to, if you can adjust this, you don't have to treat this as a additional tax on you. But if you're not a taxpayer, would you start filing your returns and then adjust this amount? But if you're not a taxpayer, but because you've spent this, we've deducted that 0.1 or 0.2 or whatever, 0.05 or depending on different classifications, we do ask them to pay. And irony is, and I would like to share this with you, irony is, even when huge amounts have been spent on a foreign travel, and on that person when you levied a TDS of a very small 0.1% or something, that deduction happens, the person doesn't come on to the tax fold. It's all right, you know, that 1% or 0.1% or 0.05 is foregoable. Let it be paid, but I'm still not coming on to the tax net. Should I? Yes, because you spent so much just on foreign travel this year. You couldn't be doing it when you're earning less than 7 lakhs per month. So you still have problems where a lot of awareness has got to be built. The tax is being paid because it's being paid for the national cause. You're building roads, you're building ports, you're building hospitals. AIMS are getting constructed only by taxpayers' money. But it can't be only on the salaried class to continue paying because their income is already into their account. It is traceable. And it's not for those who are not on salary. They also will have to come on board. So we are doing a lot of campaigns to explain all this. At the same time, we are also not allowing them to remain where they are. We are trying to get closer through these methods. So the salaried class, sometimes when they feel, why are we being burdened and others are being not questioned at all? No, we are approaching them as well. Big expenditures happening are being now tagged. Now they have to pay a TDS. They are happening. So expanding or widening the tax net is happening, but not the way you asked. It's not on agriculture.